CBOQ Youth, God has given us a vision that has become real through our weekend winter retreats, Blizzard and Avalanche. We want to see youth be given the opportunity to encounter and respond to Jesus in a real, unique, and genuine way. You see, we are offering powerful teachings, engaging worship, creative programming, and fun memories that last the lifetime. You see, what we're having happen is students are going home, encountering Jesus, and now living it out to their family, in their communities, and in their churches. Some say it's just a weekend getaway for youth. Others say it's just full of crazy fun and tons of memories. And still, some will say it's just a place where youth hang out. These are true, but there's more. For over a decade, it has been a landmark experience in the spiritual development of young people across Ontario and Quebec that is leaving an eternal imprint in their life journey. This is what they have been experiencing.
So this winter, we are coming together from across Ontario and Quebec to inspire and challenge today's youth in a fun, creative, and unique context, that they might grow closer to Jesus and live Him out in today's world. Why you keep chasing